You probably aren't putting as much thought as you should into your glasses. And in this video, you're about to find out why. I'm going to be explaining the 3 ways that the right pair of glasses can change your life. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant here at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. To exemplify how much difference the right pair of glasses can make, I've handpicked some of our clients' recent orders to show you just what can be done with a pair of glasses and some of the ways that they can make your life better. The first way that glasses affect our day-to-day life is in the way that we see. And you might think that all glasses affect your eyes in the same way, but I'm here to tell you that is absolutely not true. All glasses are designed, of course, to improve your vision, but how much they improve your vision and in what way can be vastly different from one pair to another. As an example, let me show you this pair, which is the Reykjavik Eyes Alvar in white gold. This is our own limited edition collaboration with Reykjavik Eyes. This pair specifically has the matte finish, which really gives it kind of like a very neutral sandstone color, which I think is really easy to wear day to day. It keeps it quite understated but cool at the same time, especially thanks to the geometric shape. But it's all about the lenses because these glasses feature Smart Life technology. Smart Life lenses are optimized to improve your vision on digital screens. Of course, we're all surrounded nowadays with digital devices, whether it's our phones, tablets, even on our digital display on our dashboard. Our eye muscles have to refocus to see those digital displays. Smart Life lenses support the focus of your eyes in doing so that your eyes are more comfortable and so your vision is clearer throughout the day. Ordinary lenses don't do that. This is a different way of incorporating your prescription into a pair of glasses to enhance your vision more than you would naturally get from just a regular lens. And that's just one example. There are countless examples of how the lenses in your glasses can actually have a dramatic effect on how you see. But it isn't just the lens technology here that's doing work. It's also the slight brown gradient tint that's on them. That has the effect of slightly boosting contrast and also providing a more warm view of the world. The benefit of that is that things are just a little bit clearer, a little bit sharper, and harsh lighting, like I'm surrounded by in this environment, is slightly toned down. So they're improving my vision beyond what my eyes would naturally be capable of. Not just correcting your vision, but enhancing it at the same time. And this pair is a great example of how you can do that. But you don't necessarily have to have a tinted lens to get the clearest vision possible. And that's where this pair comes in, because this is a Lindbergh buffalo horn titanium frame, absolutely gorgeous, completely different stylistically to the Reykjavik Eyes pair that we just looked at. But these feature genuine glass lenses, and glass is optically clearer and sharper than any plastic lens material. You see, most lenses nowadays are produced from plastic. And if you compare, a plastic bottle to a glass bottle, they're fundamentally different materials with fundamentally different properties. That transfers into optics as well. All high-end binoculars, all high-end microscopes, telescopes, rifle scopes will feature glass lenses because you get the purest, sharpest, crispest optics through a glass lens. And when it comes to glasses, that is true as well. These are designed for a client who's a dental surgeon. So number one, we wanted him to look professional but cool while he's at work, hence the frame choice. But number two, he needs the sharpest vision possible for his job. Through a Zeiss glass lens, he is going to see the very best he can. And that extra level of precision makes a tangible difference to our everyday lives. Taking it to the other extreme, rather than a fully clear lens like that, you can have a fully tinted lens like this. And this becomes a more specialized pair of glasses. This would definitely not be your main everyday go-to pair. This is the Industrial Fuse 005, a beautifully minimalistic, really comfortable, really lightweight frame that features this gorgeous guilloche finishing, which produces a pattern finish on the recycled surgical steel that they're made from. And within the frame, we have violet tint, produces incredible contrast and a beautiful depth of vision, so that when you're seeing objects in the distance, for example, clouds contrasted against the sky, those clouds stand out almost in 3D. It's an absolutely magical, amazing effect. But this sunset violet also has a practical use. It's extremely good for driving in bright sunlight. And that's what this pair was designed for, as a pair of driving sunglasses. And the vision you get through this kind of tint is just addictive. The world just looks better. Everything is clearer, like dramatically clearer, much more pronounced than the subtle brown tint that we looked at before. This makes a significant difference to your vision, and that's why a pair like this is really good for a specialized option, for example, to wear when driving. There are other examples of specialized tints that can enhance your vision in different ways, but part of building an eyewear wardrobe and having multiple different options is the ability to have different tint colors like this that can really make a dramatic difference to how you see. But of course, nowadays in 2025, glasses are not just about how you see. And they're also about how you look as well. The happiest glasses wearers think about eyewear not just in terms of better or worse, one frame looking better than another, which is, to be fair, how most people choose glasses. They go into the opticians, they think, what's the best pair that I can find, the best looking pair I can find. Think about it for a second. For example, at work, you probably wear a whole different set of clothes than you would wear at home, and a different set of clothes than you would wear going out or hiking, for example. We tend to switch up our outfits depending on where we are and how we want to look. Why would it be different for our glasses? As you start to get into eyewear and as you want to look your best, it becomes more about choosing the right pair for the right environment. For example, this is a pair we designed for David. It's the Masanaga Master of Craft MOC001. Probably the best quality frames ever made, and I do not say that lightly. We have a whole feature on this collection that we produced earlier in the year. These are a solid, absolutely solid and rigid, full, thick titanium construction with handmade acetate inlay, handmade acetate end tips, sterling silver embellishment on those end tips, and super, super thick gold plating throughout the frame, including on the nose pads, by the way, which are a dual layer construction. I could talk endlessly about these frames and how special they are, but rather than the products itself, it's about how they make you look. And for David, he wanted a pair that is gonna look badass. That's what these do. When you put on a pair of glasses like this, you can take on a whole different persona. Combined with the custom amber gradient tint and the gold flash, they have a real luxury aesthetic to them. These glasses mean business, and they show to other people that you mean business. Without being overly serious, I mean, they're not stuffy, they are really stylish and cool. So you look amazing at the same time. Meanwhile, I can wear equally an almost invisible frame like this, the Esmont Habu rimless, and take on a whole different persona. This is a more professional look, it's a more understated look. Still with style though, that's the important thing. I would say both of these glasses are equally stylish, just in different ways. The Habu rimless from Esmont is just amazingly well finished. It's handmade in Japan, just like the Masanaga Master of Craft was. Made from, again, really rigid, solid titanium, but in a rimless design, with a sterling silver embellishment, this time on the temple, rather than on the temple tip. And we customized this pair with a bespoke lens shape. And if you're shopping for rimless glasses in particular, customizing the shape and choosing the right shape is a really important part of that. But the point I want to make is that whether I'm wearing these glasses, or my own glasses, or that Masanaga Master of Craft, they all look great in different ways. And having an eyewear wardrobe allows you to have different options to match to different situations and different outfits. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the two sets of lenses in these glasses though, because this pair features a custom rose tint with drive-safe coating. Coming back to the point I was making earlier about how different lenses can make you see differently, drive-safe lenses dramatically enhance your vision in nighttime conditions. And really the complete package of these glasses is not just the frames, but the combination of frames and lenses that makes them truly special. Meanwhile, with the MOC pair, I already told you these have the amber gradient tint and the gold flash coating, but they also have a magic trick, because in the sun, these are going to activate to a full pair of sunglasses. Let me show you. We combined this pair with a green photochromic lens. So these glasses are not just glasses, but also sunglasses. Green also gives an improvement in contrast. It's one of the most popular sunglass colors for a reason, because you get excellent color perception and good contrast in one lens. When you're shopping for glasses, the lenses are just as much a part of how the glasses look as the frames. Now, onto our third and final point. So glasses affect how you look and they affect how you see. But for me, there's one thing that's actually more important than both of those things: how your glasses make you feel. Your glasses are the one thing that everybody who sees you is going to see first. When they look at you in the eyes, your eyes are literally framed by your glasses. And as we've demonstrated so far, the lenses affect how you perceive the world as well. So ultimately, those two things are really everything about how we experience our lives, how other people perceive us and how we perceive everything else. And that's why you really can't take for granted just how important your glasses are. That's why I'm so passionate about this. That's why I created this YouTube channel, to inspire you to get better glasses, because I know how much difference the right pair of glasses can make. As an example, this is the Luca de Stale Petrus 19, a frame that is almost completely made from stone. Having a pair of glasses made from a natural material like stone, for someone who is into nature, can really help you build an emotional connection to your glasses. After all we've said, this is an item you're going to have with you every minute of every day. There's something quite magical about that, rather than just, plastic or metal, which are very, artificial materials. And also knowing that you have a pair of unique frames that isn't just one that you can walk into a high street store and pick off the shelf. There's also something special about that as well. This is a blue tint with a sapphire blue finish, and the idea was to create this real gemstone look on the lens. Let me know in the comments below whether you think we achieved that. I'm really happy with the end result. I think it looks stunning, and it doesn't look like any other pair of glasses in the world. And for Karen, who has quite a lot of glasses by now, creating something that was unlike anything else she has was a challenge, but one that was quite fun, and I think in the end, we've really managed that with this pair. On the other end of the spectrum, your glasses can have a whole other effect on you. This is the Even Realities G1, the world's first, in my opinion, smart glasses that can replace your everyday glasses. These are awesome glasses first and foremost. So there's actually a heads-up display on these glasses, believe it or not, because it's pretty invisible to everybody else. But these will overlay different pieces of information. For example, maps when I'm navigating, real-time translations of what people are saying to me if they're speaking in a different language. Or if I was hard of hearing, what people are saying to me in my own language. They also flash up my phone notifications, news updates. And for someone who's into tech, it's going to totally revolutionize the way they think about their glasses. They're not just something to help them see, they're not just something to help them look better, but now there's something to help them feel more connected to the digital world. That won't be everybody's cup of tea, of course, but for the right person, this pair of glasses can make you feel incredible. And that's why I wanted to make this video, to make you rethink what a pair of glasses can do. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And definitely share this video with others who you think might not be paying enough attention to their glasses. A lot of people don't even think about it until it's pointed out to them. So I think sharing this video could be really helpful to that person.